This is John from thenetguy.com, and I'm here to introduce to you a new series that I'm running. One day I was on a very important conference call, and all of a sudden my main and backup internet connections went out. I suspected it, but when I went upstairs, I found out that that sweet, innocent, loving, terrible 2-year-old that I have had pushed the power button and shut down my entire network upstairs. That's where my incoming internet was. So I wanted to start a new series for everybody to learn about home networking and structured wiring. That means that in the future, I can move my internet connection to a safer place where my toddler can't get to it, and I can teach you guys the difference between Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 6A wiring, whether you need to use Wi-Fi, if you need a mesh system or a 5G Wi-Fi. All of these questions we'll answer. I've gotten together with a lot of my very smart IT friends, and I'll show you some great examples of best practices when it comes to wiring and setting up your home network. All this gear that you see around me, I've picked up for this project, and some of it is used, some of it is new, and some of it I'm going to show you how you can refurbish and overall get a great deal. So regardless of what your budget is, if it's $50, I've got a solution. If it's $150, I've got a solution there. And if it's $300 or more, I'll show you how to make the best toddler-proof and business-friendly network that you can. Keep an eye out and make sure that you subscribe and enable notifications to get updates when new videos in this series are posted. Thanks a lot, and I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun learning together about networking.